Got some breaking news in terms of imagery that we had promised all of our viewers here on India Today. It does not get closer than this, ladies and gentlemen. You heard India Today's news break of how the Indian Army has taken certain positions on Finger 4 or near Finger 4 that dominates certain Chinese positions there. This is what that actually looks like. Take a look. 900 meters away. This is the Indian position. It is slightly at an elevation. This is a Chinese post. This is the convergence of the Finger 4 and Finger 3 ridge lines. It's basically the Finger 4 area. And this is how close Indian and Chinese posts are in that particular area. Remember, I listed those 6 places where the two sides are extremely close. This is how close they actually are. Take a look at that. There are troops on this particular hill with the Indian flag, and there are troops on this particular hill with the Chinese flag, and they are simply 800 meters or 900 meters apart. The Indian side is slightly higher in altitude, and therefore it can actually dominate. And this is Finger 4. This is in fact where the entire standoff began on the beach. Gaurav, it doesn't get closer than this. No exaggeration. Even though in Mukpari and the South Pangong area, Gaurav, troops are much closer together, this is the place where it all began. And here you've got troops 900 meters away from each other. And these are super high altitudes, Gaurav, 20,000 feet high.
This is super high altitude. The lake itself, Shiv, as you well know, is between 14,000 and 15,000 feet above mean sea level. Then these are the fingers that go up to the ridge line. So you're not just on the fingers, you're going up on the ridge line. And this is where that special forces operation, the special forces, the special frontier force and certain other infantry elements were used for India to occupy a ground even higher than the Chinese position near Finger 4. And this tactically reduces or negates the advantage that the Chinese had on top of Finger 4. This was what army sources had described, Shiv, as readjustment of our forces to ensure that the Chinese do not roll down from Finger 4 towards Finger 3, Finger 2, Finger 1 for a big disadvantage for India. When we are on higher ground, we dominate, we ensure that the Chinese stay in their position, and if they try to move forward, they can be pushed back. Not only that, Chinese replenishments from Finger 8 to Finger 4 are effectively in Indian Army's range now. That tactically and militarily sends out a very important signal to the adversary, Shiv.
This is going to be a very, very tense situation, ladies and gentlemen. At Finger 4, this has become more than just a face-off. Gaurav, thank you very much. Gaurav and Abhishek, remember, are in Leh, Ladakh. They will be reporting from Ground Zero and getting us the very latest from the ground.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.